I'm coming at you with a styling video. It's been a while since I put a video up actually, and most of all put a styling video up, but today I am back at it again. Actually, much more of these are going to be coming. As you all know, if you follow me on IG or TikTok, which you know you should, that I actually do love style, and I love just styling my clothes basic. I love being basic but with a little dash of extra. Like, I didn't put a lot of effort, but like I tried, you know what I mean? Maybe not, but you'll see what I mean in this video, because today I want to talk about something that almost every single person, every single girl owns, and if you don't own, then you can easily own. And in this video you're going to find out that it's one of the best pieces that you can have in your closet. I have three because obviously I've realized how useful they can be. So I have three white shirts, and we're gonna check out the different ways to follow them. If this is your first time seeing my face, or maybe you've been watching for a while but you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit the notification button so you're notified the next time I upload a video. And let's start with this. Has all the sauce, baby. It is just a plain white shirt that is oversized, and yet it says flashy. So, you know, if you're extra like me and you want a basic outfit that, you know, says a lot without using a lot, like I didn't put a lot of effort. It's just a simple oversized white shirt, a mom jeans, got some lace up boots, forgive my heathen toes, and you got your outfit together and it looks extra, it looks beautiful, it looks put together, and yet you didn't use like a million outfits, a million like. Next up is for my girly girls who actually wear dresses. Now, if you're guessing the inspiration for this to be K-drama, absolutely, this gives me very K-drama vibes, but yet this is actually a very useful outfit. You can, again, call it now, okay, with how conservative most of our colleges are, unless you're in UD. God bless you, dear. I had the best time of my life there. Anyway, if you're in any other college, you might need to like sew the slits up so that you don't get in trouble or something. But you can wear this there. You can wear this to work. You can wear this on your girls' day out. You can wear this to church. You can wear this wherever and still look good and chic and be comfy. Of course, with the sneakers, definitely K-drama inspiration. But I add in the anklets because I really love anklets. K-drama. By the way, if you love K-dramas, follow me on IG and let's talk. Follow me on Twitter and let's talk. Let's talk. That's all I ever want to talk about. Blazer outfit for all my corporate people, but I actually paired it with the sneakers because I don't like doing plain on. As I said, like, you're doing the most basic thing, because listen, the whole blazer suit outfit look is very common in the workplace, but pair it with some sneaks. Be comfortable, for heaven's sake. My whole sense of style is three words: edgy, chic, comfortable. Listen, I want to be chic, I want to be comfortable, but I want to be a little bit edgy. So this is not very edgy, but it's perfect for the corporate office work. You don't need a bunch of suits. You just need blazers. You need your white shirt, and you need some plain black pants or whatever color pants you like. You can let it loose like this. Oh, I actually like it like this. You can let it loose like this, or you can, you know, take it completely off. Miss Independent, that's why I love her. Oh, there's something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out. Did somebody say leather? Because she has arrived, and she did not come to play. So another way you can pair your wonderful white shirt is button it all the way up, put some accessory into it, so throw some necklace in. You know, actually this dangly, and a lot of people actually layer them up. I don't really do necklaces because I usually feel like they're heavy on my chest. But if you are a fan of necklace, then this is for you, because you can even layer them on this white shirt and it can look super good. Now, leather pants might not be as trendy, but then again, why do you have to dress according to trends? That's a waste of your money, because you have to buy every other trend. But if you still got some leather pants, or if you are a believer in them skinny jeans, which I don't like skinny jeans. I don't own skinny jeans because that trend was not for me. It did not come for me. My legs, as we can see, we got some skinny legs. So skinny jeans were just not my, and I could never find the right fit. Now leather pants are a little bit like skinny jeans, but at least they fit. I could never find a skinny jeans which fit my skinny legs and my wouldn't call it humongous, but you know, bigger than life. But now, yeah, if you are like me, then leather pants may be the better option than skinny jeans, or leggings might be the better option. So if you got your leggings, you got your leather pants, you can pair them up with a white shirt, and you know, maybe you wanna go out for brunch. Maybe you want to have a family dinner. And last but not least is for all my Western girls. I know that it's summer out there. If you live in the tropical like me, it's summer every day, every day. Though it's a little bit cloudy today actually, so the lighting is really doing a number on me. But generally, if this is for your, if you're gonna have a picnic by the beach, or maybe you're just going out with your girls, those Mbuja Saturdays, what's up? Them Bongoya Saturdays, what's up? So if you're going on an island trip, or you're just spending the day at the beach, hanging out with your friends, or with your boo, or with whoever, but this is a great outfit where you're gonna be comfy, where you don't have to walk around in your swimsuit all the time. I'm actually gonna put on my swimsuit, but I can't find it for the life of me. I don't remember the last time I went to the beach, which is funny because I should be going, because like it's beautiful out there. But yeah, that's besides the point. The point is, this is another great way to style your white shirt. You might want to be careful with the material, because this is the lighter material now. With the cotton material, it might be a little bit harder, but anyway, who cares? You get to wear the white shirt in 5 different effective ways. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned, or maybe was just reminded of some style. Just a reminder that no matter what size you are the perfect size. Love your body, and that's how you will love every outfit that you wear. Clothes don't make you beautiful. You make the clothes beautiful. You make the clothes look good. Also, this is the year. I want us to have one motto that I'm going to keep reminding you every style video until it sticks in our head. Don't buy clutter, buy outfit. Don't buy clutter, buy outfits. And that means, and what that basically means is that we need to stop buying everything that we see and start becoming more intentional. As you can see, I used one colored shirt. Yes, I used 3 different shirts because I was lucky to have the 3 different shirts. But if this was one white shirt, you would still be able to pull 5 outfits from it. So why do you need a lot of clothes? Why do you keep buying clutter? Well, all you need is a few masterpieces that you're going to be able to wear with different outfits over and over again. And you know, save your coin, invest your coin, and passive income running. In case you don't know what that is, we'll probably discuss finances too. But that is it for this video. Subscribe if you haven't. Like this video, it really helps to bring it to other people. And turn on the notification button so the next time I upload a video, you are notified.